Today's case dives into an intense saga of baby mama drama that takes unexpected twists. We're looking at the shocking story of Stuart Lightfoot, a man who claims that a brief one-night encounter spiraled into a chaotic nightmare as he feels he was coerced into fatherhood against his will. On the other side, we have Tanya Adams, who openly admits that she desired a child and took measures that will leave you stunned. Stay with us, this courtroom is about to unveil a plethora of revelations, regret, and a quest for justice. This is the case of Lightfoot versus Adams.
Well, I'm intrigued. Mr. Lightfoot, tell the court what happened.
Yeah, like you said, Your Honor, I'm suing Tanya for theft and emotional distress for $3,500. I known her for just a little bit of time, and in that little bit of time, we had a one-night stand, and she got pregnant from what my homie...
Oh, hold on, okay. That's a lot. So you met her. Take me back. How did you all meet?
So I met her in a grocery store. From what I know is she's a manager at a grocery store or whatever. I was with my homie, Michael, and we were just picking up some crab legs for a barbecue and stuff.
Now I'm hungry, but so you're in there, you're in the grocery store, you're shopping for what you guys gonna have for the barbecue.
Yeah.
And you meet Ms. Adams?
Yeah, I met Tanya Adams. My friend Michael, he known her before. And
All
so
right.
He kind of introduced me to her. I thought she looked good. This was like, wow, this was like 2 years ago.
Okay, so you saw her at the grocery store, you thought she was pretty?
Yeah. He knows I like to date like kind of like older women.
All right.
And so I saw Tanya.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I saw Tanya. I chopped it up with her a little bit, got her number, this and that, and we've been talking for quite some time, but I didn't we just kind of talked, and then eventually one night we kind of went out. I'd known her for about maybe 6 months.
And one thing led to another.
Yeah.
So Ms. Adams, you remember that day that Mr. Lightfoot was in the store with his friend shopping for the barbecue, and you remember meeting them, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
He said he thought you were pretty. Did you think he was handsome?
Yes, Your Honor.
All
Of
right,
course he did.
Now, I don't really think it's appropriate to ask a woman her age. I'm never afraid to say mine. But if you don't want to say your age, that's fine. But what is the age difference?
I'm 40, so there's
How old are you?
I'm 28.
Okay, so 12 years age difference.
Yeah.
Okay, so 12 years, and you thought he was handsome as well?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you all exchanged numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you at work?
I'm at work.
You the manager?
I'm the manager. I'm the store manager, yes.
All right, and was getting numbers too?
Well, the thing is, Michael always comes to our store, and we know each other pretty well.
You had a mutual friend?
Yes, we had a mutual friend, yeah. And I'm single, and I was interested, so I thought it couldn't hurt to get to know him.
And so the one-night stand, you all were friends talking back and forth. You had
Yeah.
a one-night stand. Where was the one-night stand?
At my house.
So y'all were at your house?
Yes, ma'am.
And you all were intimate?
Yes, we were.
Did you use protection, Mr. Lightfoot?
Of course, I was always raised to use protection. Don't be a fool. Wrap your tool, and that's something I stand by.
Don't be a fool.
Yeah.
Wrap the tool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna remember that one, honey.
Yeah.
Man.
Don't hate the play, hate the game.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying? I kind of told her that I'm a very busy person, for work and this and that, and I wasn't
Yes.
kind of like.
Did that hurt your feelings that he didn't call back anymore, Ms.
yeah,
Adams?
of course it did. Yes, yes.
And see, that's why I always tell women, please watch out for these one-night stands, because I don't know what it is today. Young women always want to convince themselves, oh, what the man can do to the girl can do.
I let her
and
know
I get all
what
of
it
that.
was.
But somehow when we get in these situations, am I right, ladies? We do not like real one-night stands. We get offended when you don't call back, and the one-night stand, that's technically what it is. Am I allowed to say hit it and quit it?
I think so.
In this courtroom drama, the tangled narrative of Stuart Lightfoot and Tanya Adams unfolds, revealing complex emotions surrounding unexpected fatherhood and personal responsibility. Stuart feels blindsided by Tanya's pregnancy after a brief, protected encounter, claiming emotional distress and a sense of being trapped. Meanwhile, Tanya asserts her right to pursue motherhood, emphasizing her desire for a child. As the tension escalates, both parties present their perspectives, highlighting misunderstandings and differing expectations. The case underscores themes of accountability, the repercussions of casual relationships, and the challenging dynamics of modern romance, leaving the audience eager for the final verdict. However, the paternity dispute between Stuart Lightfoot and Tanya Adams could lead to several potential outcomes. The court may order a DNA test to confirm paternity, determining if Stuart is indeed the biological father of Tanya's child. If paternity is established, Stuart may face legal obligations, including child support, visitation rights, or custody arrangements, depending on the circumstances. The court may evaluate Stuart's claim of emotional distress. If deemed valid, he could be awarded some compensation, though it might not be the full $3,500 he sought. That if paternity is confirmed, the court may establish custody arrangements that serve the child's best interests, potentially leading to joint custody or visitation rights for Stuart. That if the court finds that Tanya did not act maliciously or unlawfully, Stuart might receive no financial compensation for emotional distress. That the parties could be encouraged to seek mediation to settle their differences amicably, potentially leading to a private agreement outside of court. That the ruling could influence future relationships for both parties, whether it's fostering cooperation in co-parenting or affecting their personal lives. Ultimately, the outcome will depend on the evidence presented, the judgments made regarding each party's actions, and the best interests of the child involved.